During an appearance on MSNBC's The Alex Witt Show, legal analyst Lisa Rubin stated unequivocally that Donald Trump's lawyers will be unsuccessful if they ask for a mistrial after last week's closing arguments before a jury that had previously heard evidence of massive tax fraud by the Trump Organization. According to the analyst, complaints by the former president's attorneys in a Manhattan courtroom will go nowhere if they try to have the weeks of proceedings thrown out. Trump Organization lawyers objected to the testimony. They called for a mistrial. The jury heard this potentially damning new information. Host Alex Witt began. Is it fair game to go after Donald Trump at this stage? Or are there grounds for a mistrial? I don't think there are grounds for a mistrial, Alex, and here's why, Rubin began. First of all, the evidence you are just citing was not newly presented to the jury during closing arguments. It was a document that had come up during the trial. And, in fact, she continued. People who were in the courtroom watching, one of them tweeted, "I was wondering when I was going to see this document again." The reason that Donald Trump became a focus of the prosecutor's closing arguments is in fact because the defense opened the door, she elaborated. When the defense closed for itself, it told the jury, Donald Trump has nothing to do with this, put aside how you feel about Donald Trump. The organization, that is the one on trial. The prosecution then argued to the judge, they've opened the door. We said at the beginning that Donald Trump wasn't on trial, and the jury should pay attention to this. But now that they've called attention to him, we have every right to refuse that. That is a fact of what they did last Friday, she added.